Carnaby's pretty unique just because of the stores and the people you can find along it.
Well, there's always a big buzz around Carnaby.
Carnaby always feels like it's got its arms out. It feels like the best of British high street, but also the most boutique of London.
There's just so many different things for so many different people, and I think that all contributes to the eclecticism of the whole area. Literally something for everyone, by everybody.
We're a trainer store, like, first and foremost, but then we have exclusive product, so it's got pretty much something for everyone, I guess.
We're quite a unique brand in the sense that we're 103 years old. We're a fifth generation independent optician, so the product that we have is very classic and iconic, and it's all handmade, and it seems to be in fashion at the moment with all the heritage shops around.
We tried to build a store that is deeply fluid, so we don't affix anything to the walls, and it's a bit like a Meccano set, so every time we feel the mood or we have a new drop of product, we can completely rearrange and re-merchandise the store. And we have a record deck in there because I'm a massive vinyl collector, and we like the notion when a customer comes through the door, kind of put on a record. It's part of the ceremony of coming to talk to us about our brand.
We're on Kingly Street here, and it's just an amazing street. I mean, when you think about central London, there's not many sort of pretty much pedestrianised streets that you can, apart from Carnaby Street itself, of course. It's a really nice community here. It just feels like exactly the sort of place you'd want to open a restaurant.
Brenner's is a mashup of so many different things, and that's why it kind of works. So none of our restaurants look the same or feel the same. They're all kind of like...
Whatever we see and think looks cool, really, isn't it?
Yeah, sure.
I guess the favourite thing I'm wearing is definitely this jacket.
I like wearing workwear.
Probably more sort of surfing, skating 10 years ago or something.
I wear a lot of vintage clothing. I guess it all comes from the music side of it.
My personal style I've always regarded as the last turkey in the shop. In a sense, as a bloke, I buy the clothes that everybody else leaves behind, and that excites me.
I think there's a history in Carnaby, isn't there?
Yeah.
I mean, dating back to the old days of the retro, to the 60s.
Beatles,
or the
pretty much,
Beatles,
and all
yeah.
that,
It's
so.
just got that kind of DNA of London cool, which not many other places kind of tend to have.